Get off!
Move! You coming out or not?
Dude, stand back.
Come out!
Get out of the car now! I'm not telling you again.
You better get out of the car.
Give me your hands. No, for what? Whoa. Yo. Don't.
Corrupt cops who got exactly what they deserved. We will delve into the case of Officer Warren, who used excessive force on a homeless man and received a deserved consequence. On September 14, 2016, Officer Warren and his colleague Daniel Reynoso approached Daryl Giles, a homeless man at the Burnett Metro Station in Houston, Texas. The police instructed Giles to leave the subway station, and a heated exchange appeared to take place between them. In the early morning hours, Officer Warren and Daniel Reynoso once again approached Giles at the subway station. After a brief interaction, Warren resorted to using his baton against Mr. Giles. Finally, Warren and Reynoso apprehend a subdued Giles and take him to a local jail. Former Houston Metro Police Officer Jairus Warren, 24, was convicted of assault causing bodily injury for beating a man at a train station in 2016. He was sentenced to 2 years of probation and 30 days in jail.
This video, released more than 2 years ago, put a former Metro police officer behind bars. Jarius Warren charged with the attorney threw a curveball, saying that he would file for a new trial. The judge was ready to give Warren 2 years attorney, freezing the punishment. The judge said Warren violated the public's trust.
With trust like that, you deserve strong words and you deserve strong sentences.
Really, it boils down to he was a rookie police officer.
The judge will have to still decide if Warren, of course, gets a new trial.
Here's the story of how one man's life was upended by a simple case of mistaken identity. On the afternoon of February 1st, 2016, 24-year-old Patrick Mumford was sitting in a driveway when officers from the Savannah-Chatham Metropolitan Police Department approached him. Rather than providing an explanation, they immediately resorted to using a taser.
Warrant, dude. You got a warrant?
He just came back from his probation. Came back from my probation officer.
Get your hand off the wheel.
I got
taser for you.
No, man. Hey, Jack, I got taser.
3 seconds.
Hold on, man.
3 seconds.
Dude, do not reach. Get up. Put your hands on the car. I'm getting up, man. Guess what?
Get your...
Show me the
Three.
warrant.
Come
out of the car. Get out of the car.
Go. You have a warrant. Get out of the car. Tase him. Tase him.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Handcuff him now. Handcuff him. You're gonna get it again.
The police never attempted to verify Patrick's identity before labeling him as a suspect and arresting him.
Come on, people, Jack. Come on, people, Jack. Hey, Jack. Hey, fucking lady.
5 Charlie 3 to 5 Charlie 1.
That just don't make no sense right there.
We're gonna need you up at Market Street. 5 Charlie 3. Go ahead.
Stop reaching for his back. On scene and visiting. Both back pocket. Now, Michael, is that all really necessary, sir? Yeah, it's a lot, yeah.
Change.
Hey, give him my money.
Check his pockets.
Give him my money. Down. Alright, bring him over to the car so I can get the prongs off. Come on, right now. 43, 346, 3642. 346, 3642. I got him on that. 346, 3642. Call him now. Call him now, man. Call him now.
Man, stop.
Stop your car. Relax, man. Stop your car.
Okay,
You're fine. Relax, dude. Man, give him my wallet. It ain't worth that. Give him my wallet, man.
We will when we're...
After realizing their mistake, the officers admitted that Patrick was not Michael. However, instead of releasing him immediately, they still tried to justify their actions.
Which one, ma'am? Give us just a minute, we will, okay? We gotta get these, man, we gotta get these taser probes out of him first, and then we'll...
Get my keys out the car. Lock my car.
ID's right?
4319.
I just seen this fucking lady.
Patrick Mumford.
That lady not gonna tell me that I got a warrant.
That's not who I'm looking for, but here's the deal. When I ask you for ID because you look a lot like the person we're looking
Oh,
for...
man, y'all is hell. Ow! Alright, well, that one's stuck.
Okay, when we ask you for ID because you look a lot...
Yes. But when you came up asking me out of nowhere.
Because you look exactly
You
like...
look like the guy. What's the guy name?
Do you know him? Who stays here? Let me ask you that.
He
Is there
was saying
someone...
this.
Is,
Charlie 1, you can disregard.
real talk, Patrick. Think about it.
Hey, Jack. Yeah. Guess what he's looking for? What? You already know.
Tell him.
Yeah, my name's Patrick. No, I said Patrick. Y'all didn't have no right.
We actually do have a right, sir.
You should have came to the house owner and asked if Michael's here.
Okay.
Patrick's mother and other family members confronted the officers, expressing outrage over the wrongful arrest and excessive force.
To you, maybe not, man, but to the picture we have, he doesn't want to give us his ID.
Why you just didn't cooperate? Shut up! Just shut up! Just shut up! I'm pissed.
You said my name's Patrick?
For what?
It's
here?
No, it's out of somewhere else. It's in Georgia, but they want him picked up. They sent us here.
This Because Pat didn't want to cooperate and they started.
He had his ID on him.
Right.
I asked him for his ID 3 times, ma'am. That's all on video. It's all on video. I said, ma'am, I said, dude, let me get your ID. And he started climbing with the car and pulling away. And when we asked him for his ID, he wanted to be not very cooperative.
Okay,
My man,
you know what?
It's all
Don't worry about it.
The picture you got looks a lot like you, and you're sitting in the house where he's supposed to, the last address we have for him. Okay? We got EMS coming to get it out. Okay? Right now, it's just obstruction because he didn't want to comply with us. Okay? When we asked him for everything.
If one of y'all live here, can you point out such and such person?
Himself. He didn't want to identify himself. And then when I told him to step out and give me your ID, he wanted to step back in the car, start grabbing onto the car, and everything else. It's all on video. Okay?
I don't know him.
I mean, that's what we got going on. Okay? So, it had nothing to do. I mean, and the thing is, he's not who he just happens to look. Man, you can show him pictures.
I just need to get my mom out of my car before she has an accident.
He's backing up.
Alright, I'm out on Red.
Boy, if we'd have came home like you're supposed to, none of this would never happen.
When they ask you for your ID, Patrick, but when we asked for ID to confirm it, that's when he
started. Yeah. And it's everything's on video, okay? It's not like we came up here just saying, hey, we're to jack you up, okay? A car where I don't know if there's a weapon at, I'm going to act appropriately, sir. I'm sorry? Okay, and again, if I think he has a warrant and I know I've got to put him in custody,
chill out. I know. The EMS got to come get this stuff out because it's stuck in your clothing because your clothing's thick. If I would have thought a little bit more, I would have went to my house and left y'all out here.
The officers violated Patrick's Fourth Amendment rights by detaining him without probable cause. Their use of excessive force also breached standard policing procedures.
You're back. You follow what I'm saying?
Right. Not Michael. Patrick, what are you on probation for? 2 years. What? Oh, okay. That's all. Because we don't want anyone to get shot either, you know what I mean? You know how everything's going on, you know? We got a call. We got a call and they were in the middle of a conversation. And then they asked him to step out. He jumps back in the car and he says he's not coming out. He starts resisting. Okay, that's what we got it all on camera. Then we had to tase him because he was in front of the car. He's got this taser probe still stuck in his bag. We might have to just take him to the hospital so they can remove it.
He's not going to This is the address. If he's
stuck in your back or just in your clothes?
The answer is like, my name's Patrick.
Hold on.
The Savannah City Council on Thursday voted to approve a $100,000 settlement with Patrick Mumford, who was incorrectly identified and tased by Savannah Chatham police officers who were executing an arrest warrant on February. One Lumpkin then apologized. We sincerely regret what Mr. Patrick Mumford experienced on February 1st, 2016, in the encounter with our officers. As the Chief of Police, I apologize to Mr. Mumford, and I have done so in person, Chief Lumpkin said. Quite the storm of events, right? Let's move on to a more gripping case. On July 29, 2016, Maurice Crawley was arrested by police in Syracuse after filming Officers, a legally protected act under the First Amendment.
And if they ain't doing look at the Uncle Tom. Yeah, Uncle Tom. I didn't hear you. Say it again, officer. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
At this time, we have no new updates on the incident.
What about
Now by 5 seconds about banning you from this building, and you would never come back here.
for asking a
Let
question?
me see your driver license or your ID,
Am I-
so I can scan it before you come across it.
Well, the thing is, I don't have it with me, sir.
Okay.
That's why I'm asking you
Stand
what.
over here.
Welcome to Cops Quiz. Today, we're uncovering the alarming reality of police officers not fully understanding the laws they're meant to enforce. This growing issue is at the heart of rampant corruption, leading to numerous intense confrontations. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated and join us in addressing these crucial challenges. Let's get it on. On August 5th, 2022, two individuals conducting First Amendment audits attempted to enter the Georgia State Capitol building in Atlanta, Georgia. Trooper Frazier, a member of the Capitol Police Division of the Georgia Department of Public Safety, was stationed at the security desk. The auditors began documenting the exchange when Trooper Frazier requested their identification. According to him, Georgia law prohibits accessing the state capitol without identification. The Georgia Building Authority oversees the Capitol and grants qualified law enforcement officials the authority to deny entry to individuals whose actions may endanger public safety or disrupt regular operations. Trooper Frazier, responsible for Capitol access, typically requests identification from visitors as part of security protocols, although not mandated by law. While the constitutionality of this practice is debated, current Georgia legislation likely supports Trooper Frazier's right to demand ID and refuse entry to non-compliant individuals. He directed the auditors to leave via the security entrance, citing legal authority under specific sections of the Georgia Code empowering law enforcement to deny entry to security threats and protect Capitol Square property.
Why would you need my ID?
Wow.
Yes.
Do you know what facility that you stepped into?
Absolutely.
All right, this is the Georgia Capitol building where they house the senator, the governor, the House representative.
What about- what about-
Now by 5 seconds about banning you from this building, and you would never come back here.
For asking a
Let
question?
me see your driver license or your ID,
Am I-
so I can scan it before you come across it.
Well, the thing is, I don't have it with me, sir.
Okay.
That's why I'm asking you
Stand
what.
over here.
But
Sir, I'm telling you right now, I'm giving you an order. To
have
get over here.
I broken the law?
Yes, you are. You're breaking it right now. You are
What?
in a state building.
Okay.
You're over this line right now, so you're crossing it without ID.
I'm not crossing. I'm right here.
Right here.
I'm
Yes,
not
I
a.
do.
I'm not a criminal. Why are you treating me
No,
like that?
Because you're not listening. When I take you to do something, you don't question it. Move. Before
Sir,
you,
what
listen,
about
listen.
our rights?
You have okay. First of all, you don't have the right to walk into this building.
Yeah, we do. I don't mean to be rude to you in any way, officer, but I've been to at least 30 state capitol buildings in the past, and this is the first one
This
that I
is
get.
Georgia, and we take it seriously.
What about the Fourth Amendment? Do you take it seriously?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so I haven't committed a crime, so you don't need my ID.
No.
So do you have a supervisor that I can speak with?
Sir, right now, I'm done talking to you.
Sir, I'm
Just
part of-
Stand right here. I'm done talking to you. I will take care of you momentarily.
We'll just wait here and speak to your supervisor.
All right, well, I'll tell you what. You just hang tight because it's going to be a while.
Okay, no problem.
From now on, as long as I'm working this station right here, I'm going to need some passports, identification, and so forth.
Building.
Listen. You come over here. Okay, I gave you instructions. Don't question the instructions. Just do what you're told to do.
We have
What you wanna do.
sir, we have the
Listen,
right to
listen,
question.
Listen.
You're not.
Here we go.
Sir, you're not. With all due respect, you're not our father, sir. I have not been rude to you at any point,
If I have to follow the rules,
sir.
you got to follow the rules.
But the thing is,
Remember myself.
the thing is, the rule says that you have to be courteous and professional, sir. Why would you have that demeanor towards me? If all I did was walk in here and ask a question. You're talking about the rules that you have here.
Yes.
Well, the rules say that you have to treat people with respect and dignity. You don't say, move over here, don't question me, like I'm an inmate, sir.
Okay.
Why would you talk to me like I'm some sort of criminal, sir?
This is what I want you to do. Let me see if you follow these instructions. Right now, I'm about to have some people come in. I'm going to need you to step to the side.
Well, respectfully, sir, this country was created off of disobedience to authority.
Job is
Do you
not to
have
yell.
ID?
I do. I don't have.
Do you have ID?
I'm going to see if he gets in or not, because I don't have that here.
I don't have it on me, sir. That's what I'm saying. But you don't need to talk like that to people. You have to show respect if you want to be respected. Are you a supervisor? Are you a cop? Are you a police officer? You have no rights to treat people like shit, you know? And I bet you anything, sir, that when enough people watch this, what is it, Fraser? So Fraser, a lot of people are gonna complain on you, brother. Just because I asked, why would he need my ID? He was offended. Did you see that? Sir, there's no reason for you to treat us like that. Men treat each other with respect. You want respect, you can ask for something that you're not giving, sir. We're just waiting for a supervisor. Is he coming?
Right, but you got to step right over here, sir.
Where would you like us to step?
Just step right here. All right.
Is that a lot for order?
Are you a cop?
No, I'm not. I'm a trooper. Come on.
Okay, you're not.
A state trooper?
Yeah.
Are you giving me a lawful order?
Yeah, just stand away, sir.
This is lawful order.
Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me.
Stand right there.
All right. Sir, with all due respect, you're a dangerous one. Sir, do you have anything to say? There's thousands watching. You could apologize like a man.
Your friend did the right thing.
Don't point your finger at me like that.
I really appreciate you.
By the way, how do you feel as an African-American cop in the South being a police officer when police officers were actually made to arrest runaway slaves? You're a loser. Do the walk of shame. Do the walk of shame, cop.
That's fine.
How do you feel? You think you're gonna get away with this? We're gonna complain so much on you, you're gonna be working Walmart security, buddy.
The Capitol Police Division's primary responsibility, as outlined in Section 35-2122, is to uphold laws within Capitol Square. Precedents suggest Trooper Fraser's authority over Capitol access is likely legally justified. Failure to comply could result in misdemeanor charges under Sections 50, 16, 16, or 16, 10, 24. Based on the 1978 case Edmonds v. City of Albany, where disobeying lawful police orders constituted an offense. An argument has arisen, contending that a sergeant has the right to defy the rule requiring identification, citing the Fourth Amendment and the Supremacy Clause of the United States Constitution. The auditor argues that federal laws supersede state laws and that the policy does not violate the Fourth Amendment's prohibition on unjustified searches and seizures. Thus, the auditor concludes that both the Fourth Amendment and the Supremacy Clause support the sergeant's decision to refuse.
And by the way, we have 100 million views on the internet, punk.
Wow, so this actually they didn't even ask for ID last time we were here. The reason I'm not getting arrested right now is because I still have.
There's nothing we can do. He's standing right there,
cases.
kicking us out. But we're gonna wait right here.
Hi, gentlemen. How are you? Good. So we were trying to get in to the State House, and my friend doesn't have an ID. The gentleman started barking orders at us, so we just politely asked for a supervisor, and I appreciate you being cordial with us. Don't our Fourth Amendment rights trump any policy? Doesn't your oath to the Constitution to uphold our
so
sacred
you don't
oath?
think that you could be searched to enter a government building?
Although they say we have all these rights upon entering, all of them are waived.
Well, what's waived?
The First Amendment.
The Second Amendment.
The Second
You
Amendment.
can film all you want to in there.
He said, "You're filming me." He was mad about being filmed.
You can film all you want to in there. You go through a metal detector. That's our procedure.
I
Okay,
understand.
it's just like the courthouse.
I
You have to show an
understand.
ID to enter the building.
And
there are
this isn't-
people. Hang on,
sorry.
let me finish.
My
I'm letting you talk.
I had a lot of caffeine this morning. My apologies.
All right. So to enter this building, you have to show an identification. Okay.
The last thing I would say to you, sir, and with the utmost respect, not only the Fourth Amendment, but the Supremacy Clause of the Constitution gives us the right. Over here, they can make any policy, but if that violates, this last thing I'll say, if it violates our rights,
Okay.
it is your duty to disobey that order, sir.
No, that's not. I understand
So
what
you
you're
took
saying.
an oath when you graduated.
Listen, I know what you said. If you want to enter the building,
Okay.
you can show an ID. If you don't want to enter the building, you're not going to be allowed.
All right,
in.
well,
Simple
okay,
as that. Listen, if you want to enter the building,
Sure.
show an ID and you can enter. If you don't, then
That's fine,
you can
sir.
sit out here and
I'm
record
not-
all you want.
I'm
I'm
not-
not going to entertain this
I
anymore.
appreciate you,
Okay.
but the reason we're doing this is because the Constitution is a very sacred document,
I agree
and
with
we've seen it deteriorate over the last several years. And this constitutional republic is participatory, and unless we go out here and non-violently flex our rights, we
That's
have
fine.
nothing.
That's fine.
Sir.
Listen, I understand that I took an oath. We all did. Okay. However, to enter this building, you're going to show an ID. If you don't, then don't come.
We got that. We got that. Do you know? Okay.
Listen,
and before we let you go,
I'm not going to sit here and play this game all day. If you want to enter the building, show an ID. If you don't, you can walk away.
All right.
Simple enough. I'm
just last question. Do you know what the Third Amendment is?
I'm not talking to y'all anymore. Okay?
After a dialogue with the sergeants, the auditors disclosed their identities to gain entry to the Capitol. It remains unclear if they intend to pursue further action. Trooper Frazier's conduct is evaluated, earning a C grade. While within his rights to request identification, his demeanor was confrontational, lacking effective communication.
Sir, there's thousands watching you, by the way.
That's fine.
If you swear an oath to the Constitution, at least tell us what the Third Amendment is.
Tell us about it.
Sir, I'm not required to know it.
Okay. I don't have to sit here and entertain you.
This is not entertainment, sir. This is servicing the public. Okay. This is, I'm asking you about the important documents from your job. Why do you guys get so triggered when people talk about their rights?
Because I'm not going to sit out here and entertain you. I've wasted 10 minutes.
It's not entertaining, sir.
You're here to protect. To enter the building.
You're here to protect our rights.
I'm protecting you. Nobody's.
What about my Fourth Amendment, brother?
Nobody's bothering you.
You want my ID without me committing a crime, sir? There's no reasonable articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime.
Nobody said you committed a crime.
So there's no crime, no ID. What about my private document? This is not fair. You're a sergeant too, sir. This is not fair. That's messed up. Especially the way that guy talks to people. What about the First Amendment? Can I tell that guy to fuck himself nicely, sir? Would that also be a violation of the policy?
I'm not playing y'all's games, man.
I'm not playing games. I'm asking you a legitimate question.
And let's go.
This is about.
What's disorderly to you, sir?
This is about being arrested. When specifically does the First Amendment stop and disorderly begin? So me and my friends don't make any mistakes. We don't want to get arrested. So we want to know.
Well, probably.
You're on a power trip. All right. My name is Anselmo Morales. We have over 100 million views on the internet. You know what happens when enough people call and make phone calls and complain? Fraser is gonna get another bump coming out of the other side of the head of so much headache that you're gonna get, sir. All right?
Come on.
Yeah. Can I go through? Can I come in?
Yes, you can.
Okay. All right. Fraser, this is a historic moment.
Despite understanding Trooper Frazier's commitment to security, it's crucial for police to act professionally and decently. Trooper Frazier frequently misunderstood the law and struggled to explain his legal justifications. The auditors also receive a C grade for misunderstanding Fourth Amendment parameters. While supporting their efforts to oppose government overreach, they should take the time to comprehend the legal concepts they aim to uphold before conducting further audits. On the evening of January 12, 2023, Officer Jack Lowry from the Bloomington Police Department initiated a routine traffic stop in Bloomington, Minnesota. The driver stopped was Ricky Pouncil, a Bloomington resident returning home from the gym. Officer Lowry pulled over Mr. Pouncil for allegedly straddling the center lane and driving slightly below the speed limit. During the encounter, Officer Lowry referred to a Minnesota statute regarding driving below the minimum speed. However, it's important to note that driving below the limit may not always be a violation, especially in light traffic conditions or for safety reasons as specified by the law.
Incident assigned.
Hey man, how's it going? Do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance? I got you. Reason why I stopped you, I just saw you on the center lane there for a little bit. Want to make sure you don't get me driving.
I'm watching traffic. We have people with no headlights.
Yeah. Are you still in Egan? Is this a rental car?
Yeah.
Is this the rental agreement, or is this just the... Do you have the rental agreement?
I don't have the revised one.
No?
But I rent them. I have a rental agreement.
Like I said, I was going to tell you a ways back, but The radio has been bouncing all crazy, like I couldn't get on the air till we got here. Your license all valid and everything like that? All good to go, right? With valid license, everything? I'm just asking. I'm going to run you a second. I just want to make sure. Okay. Anytime, man. I'll be back.
Officer Lowry's statement about Mr. Pouncil's alleged drifting raises significant legal considerations, highlighting the delicate balance between law enforcement's discretion and constitutional rights. However, the core issue lies in the legality of the traffic stop, which hinges on the accuracy of Officer Lowry's observations. Initially, Officer Lowry chose not to issue Mr. Pouncil a ticket, but requested him to exit the vehicle for further questioning, which is permissible during traffic stops. However, prolonging the stop for unrelated investigations without valid cause breaches legal boundaries. Officer Lowry justified his suspicions based on Mr. Pouncil's perceived evasion of questions, possession of a rental vehicle, and bags in the car. Yet, legal precedent, like the 2002 Wiegand case and the 2015 Rodriguez case, emphasizes that the scope of a stop should align with its initial purpose. Officer Lowry's suspicions, unsupported by substantial evidence, fail to justify prolonged detainment, especially since individuals generally have the right to refuse to answer questions.
License status valid. NCIC person clear.
Rental car, pretty distinct reaction to my presence, and then going like 55 in middle lane, and with this dude's picture. He wasn't really cooperative with me at all. Didn't want to tell me where he was coming, where he was going. Could be just because he's been pulled over a lot. But it could be just because he's probably been pulled over a bunch. But
anything on like MRAP or anything?
Conviction of a felony of coercion. So in 2010, the federal time. All right, he didn't seem super cooperative, so I'm just gonna pull him out and try to talk him out here. Ricky, right? All right. Hey, Ricky, I got no intention of writing any ticket. I'm gonna talk to you back here for a quick second. We'll get you out of here, all right? Just about your comings and goings. I want to make sure we're on the same page. I just want to clear up some things. That's it. I'm asking you to get out of the car. Well, the thing is, I don't really need a reason. No, I don't. I'm badge 363. Like I said, man, I'm just trying to clear up some things. All right. So I just want to talk to you back to your car. I'll get you all the information in a second, man. 363. Officer Lowry. I know, man. I'm not going to try to keep you out there any longer than I have to. And we'll come back over here. I'll walk over here. You just want to go back to my partner there, sit around in the middle of traffic or anything like that. Hey, I know it's cold out here. You might feel the need to put your hands in your pockets. I'll either ask you to put your hands out of your pockets, or I can either pat you down for your safety.
Pat me down, whatever you want.
Okay. So the reason why I'm trying to talk to you out here is because when I tried talking to you the first time, you seemed super. Like I tried asking you where you're coming and going. You know, you said you're headed. You know, I'm trying to basically itinerary. So you said you're going home.
I'm going home. Period.
Where is your address at home? It's not. You said it's not Egan.
No, it's not Egan.
Where, can you tell me
I have an address over here.
What do you do for work?
What do you mean what I do for work? I have my own business.
What do you do for your business?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you had this rental car for?
I keep this rental car the whole year.
Let me ask you this. Is there anything illegal in the car?
No.
Is there any,
No, it's nothing illegal. It's no guns, none of that shit, man. It's cold out here.
No marijuana?
No, I don't smoke marijuana.
No cocaine?
No, I don't do drugs.
Methamphetamine? You haven't really been super cooperative with me, man. I understand people don't like to
I have
all the time.
You got my license, man. It's cold as outside.
You have it back.
It's cold outside.
The reason why I'm asking you these things is I want to confirm or dispel any possible suspicions that I may have, okay?
That's fine.
Possessing baggage in a car or renting a vehicle does not necessarily warrant additional questioning, as seen in cases like U.S. versus Ficus and U.S. v. Beck. Officer Lowry's multiple criminal indicators may not suffice for suspicion. possibly leading a court to conclude that he overreached by forcing Mr. Pouncil to exit the car for irrelevant inquiries. Mr. Pouncil initially declined Officer Lowry's request to search his car, but later relented under pressure when Officer Lowry threatened to use a police dog. This situation highlights key legal principles from cases like U.S. v. Brown and Knudsen v. Commissioner of Public Safety, emphasizing the importance of voluntary consent in searches conducted by law enforcement officers.
You're super cooperative and all that stuff,
bro.
And you don't really want to talk to me. It's fine, but I just want to scratch all those boxes, okay?
Scratch all
There's
the
nothing
boxes.
illegal in the car.
No.
Okay.
No.
You have the right to say no. You have the right to say yes.
I said no. Period.
My intention right now is I want to search your car for to confirm or dispel any suspicion.
What
that I
are you
may have.
searching my car?
Hold on.
I'm telling you no. You can't
You don't
search
want
my
to.
car.
Okay, that's fine. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to call my K9, see if there's going to alert them.
That's fine if that's what you want to do,
Okay.
but you're doing it for no reason.
Yeah.
I don't have nothing in the car. Can we just get on with this?
Yes, we can. And I don't want you to feel like I'm.
You're very harassing me. Search the car. I have nothing in the car.
Hold on. If you're going to give me consent to search your car now, I want to make sure I'm not trying to coerce you into it.
I can get in the car.
Okay.
You have no reason to detain me.
Okay, so let me get so we're on the same page. You're saying that I have the right to search your car.
Yeah, but you have no reason to detain me because I haven't did anything.
Okay. If you don't want me to do it, you don't have to.
I just said yes.
Okay.
If that's what you want to do.
Hang out here with my partner. I don't want to keep carrying longer than I have to. We'll get you going, okay?
Will you not tear the whole car up?
Yes, sir. Self-made, is that the brand?
One of the brand.
One of them?
What's the other brand?
Give me what's the other brand.
Maybe let's one.
Alright, we're just about done here, man. Last question. The like the bag of pills, or whatever it is, like I was in, I think it was
Vitamins?
your
Or,
bag.
yeah,
What
vitamins.
kind of? Do you know what kind of? What, like,
No, I
brand
don't.
name
You
they
can
are?
take them if you
What kind of vitamins are they?
Just vitamins.
Just random vitamins.
Yeah, just vitamins.
Like, can you help me understand like what kind of
They're
vitamins?
just vitamin C, as far as I know. Like I told you, it's nothing illegal.
Well, like I said, man, I just don't know. Do you know where you got them from?
GNC. I don't remember the date.
Well, I don't need to know the dish. No idea what kind of brand name they would be, or
No, I do not.
you know?
You can take them if you want, man. You can get them analyzed. There's nothing wrong with it.
Well, I don't want to take anything from you. It's not any. You know? 1 second. And I'm not going to worry about them. I could be a fool and it could be something, or they could be good vitamins. So,
You got a card on you?
I do.
Thank you.
Do you want me to try to explain it to you anymore right now? Or you just...
Let my attorney contact you guys.
Okay.
All I need is your card.
Yep. Any questions?
No.
All right. Have a great night. You're free to go.
You too.
No taking nothing like that. All right.
The debate centers on the legality of Officer Lowry's use of a drug dog without substantial grounds, as highlighted in the Wiggin case. Reference is also made to the precedent set by U.S. v. Lattimore. where the court expressed concern over the lack of valid justification for the search. Despite Mr. Pouncil's claim of coercion due to threats, his agreement may still carry legal weight, subject to a somewhat lenient standard for assessing voluntariness. Officer Lowry's handling of the routine traffic stop has sparked concerns about police conduct and citizen rights. During the encounter, Officer Lowry unnecessarily prolonged the stop, subjected Mr. Pouncil to discomfort as a form of punishment, and used coercive tactics to obtain consent for a vehicle search. Despite Mr. Pouncil's composed demeanor, Officer Lowry's actions undermined public trust in law enforcement. Although complaints were filed, local authorities dismissed them. Small steps from each individual can lead to significant changes in society. Thank you for joining us in exploring the issue of police corruption in the United States. Let's together spread the message of justice and transparency so that each day brings us closer to a more solid progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue supporting us on the Cops Quiz channel. Goodbye, and see you again in the next videos.